confidence, this is the moment you've waited for. You've been searching in the dark, your sweat soaking through the floor. And buried in your bones, there's an ache that you can't ignore. Taking your breath, stealing your mind, and all that was real is left behind. Don't fight it, it's coming for you, running at you. It's only this moment, don't care what comes after. Y'all feel the dream, can't you see it getting closer? Just surrender cause you feel the feeling taking over. It's fire, it's freedom, it's flooding open. It's a picture in the pulpit and your blind devotion. There's something breaking at the brick of every wall, it's holding all that you know. So tell me, do you wanna go where it's carried in our colored lights, where the runaways are running the night? Impossible comes true, it's taking over you. We won't come down, and the sun can't stop us now. Watching it come true, it's taking over you. This is where you wanna be.
¿Cómo has podido salir?
Por la ventana. Mi padre me va a mandar interno a colegio. No sé qué va a ser de mi futuro.
Yo sí.
I close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me, that I call my home. Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels like home. They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind. I don't care, so call me crazy. We can live in a world that we desire.
Es usted, ¿no? Le pido que me deje en paz.
You stumble through your days, got your head hung low, your skies are a shade of gray, like a zombie in maze. You're asleep inside, but you can't shake awake, 'cause you taste the dead and walking, thinking that you're on an option, but you can flip the switch and brighten up your darkest days. Sounds like a cold body, take a walk and need a fire, leave behind you know you'll never be seen. Come alive, come alive, come alive, your life that burns so bright, reach it up to the sky, and it's open wide, your next red fire. The world becomes a fantasy, and you're more than you could ever be, and you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. And you know you can't go back again to the world that you were living in, 'cause you're dreaming with your eyes wide open. So come alive. I see it in your eyes. You believe that you need to hide your face, afraid to step outside. So you lock the door, but don't you stay that way. Ain't no shadows, you and me know how that goes. 'Cause once you see it, oh, you'll never, never be the same. Life is trying, people trying. You prove them on you, you gotta be afraid.
Señor Carlyle, le invito a una copa. Quiero atraer el mal de su vida. Si supieran lo agotador que resulta, pues únase al circo. Usted tiene un don para el espectáculo.
¿No sabe que relacionarme con usted podría costarme mi herencia?
Podría costarle más que eso. Lo arriesgaría todo, pero, por otra parte, podría convertirse en un hombre libre.
Crazy, living a little crazy, you can play it sensible, king unconventional.
cost me greatly. So what percentage of the show would I be taking? Fair enough, you want a piece of all the action. I'd give you 7, we could shake and make it happen. I was born this morning, 18 pages gone. Why not just go ahead and ask the people what's on the dime? 15, I do 8, 12, maybe 9, 10. Don't you wanna get away to a new project on the way? Yes, I got what you need, so come with me and take the ride to the other side. So we can do it again, so we can do it again. Forget the cage, 'cause we know how to make the key. Oh, yeah, suddenly we're free to fly. We're going to the other side, to the other side. So we can go to the other side, to the other side. We're going to the other side. ¿Quién es? La cantante de ópera. ¿Cantante? Es la más famosa de las sopranos de Europa. ¿Qué haces? Seguirte para que me presentes a la señorita Linde. ¿Presentarte? Sí, no la conozco. Todo el mundo la conoce, tú lo has dicho. Señorita Linde, me llamo Philip Cartwright. Y este extraordinario caballero que tengo a mi lado.
Phineas Taylor Barnum. Es todo un placer.
Claro, usted es el americano. Me parece que he oído hablar de usted.
Señorita Lynn, voy a ir al grano. Quisiera llevarla a Nueva York. La convertiría en la cantante más famosa no solo de Europa, sino del mundo entero.
¿Acaso me ha oído usted cantar?
No, de luego. No la he oído. Cantaré en el más grande de los teatros con la mejor orquesta de la ciudad de Nueva York. Señorita Lynn.
Está aquí en todo Nueva York. La gente aún se está sentando. A propósito, ¿qué? Bernardine Letty y el resto acaban de llegar. ¿Qué? ¿A dónde va? ¿A tu barco?
¿A mi barco? No, es demasiado visible.
¿Visible?
La acústica es mucho mejor al final del gallinero y aquí. Señoras y señores, gracias por su paciencia. Con ustedes, el ruiseñor sueco, la señorita Jenny Lind.
I'm trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end. You set off a dream, getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Take
Ferias, Dios, ¿cómo canta esa mujer?
¿Le gustan los hombres con uniformes?
Seguro que sí. ¿Qué hacéis aquí? Tenéis función dentro de una hora. Tiempo suficiente para tomar 3 copas. No, Lady. ¿Qué?
Hay muchísima gente de acuerdo y no puedo dejar que os mezcléis con los chicos.
I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for real love, real.
You know I want you. It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me. So don't you say your hands are tied. You claim it's not in the cards. Fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were meant to be mine. Nothing could keep us
can't have you. We're bound to break and my hands are tied.
Some people long for a life that is simple and bland, tied with a ribbon. Some people won't sail the sea 'cause they're safer on land. To follow what's written, but I follow you to the great unknown. To a world we call our own. Hand in my hand and we promise to never let go. We're walking a tightrope high in the sky. We can see the whole world down below. We're walking a tightrope. Never sure, never know how far we could fall. But it's all an adventure that comes with a breathtaking view. Walking a tightrope. Well, it's all an adventure that comes with a breathtaking view. Walking a tightrope. Oh, 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 with you.
Sabía que acabaría aquí, lamentando su mala suerte.
Mira, si habéis venido a cobrar el dinero volado, todo. No queda nada.
Se va. No lo pillaron. Nuestras madres se avergonzaban de nosotros. Nos ocultaron toda la vida. Y usted nos sacó de las sombras. Ahora usted también nos deja en la estacada. Tal vez sea un farsante. Tal vez solo pretendiera ganar dinero fácil. Pero nos ha convertido en una familia.
Y el circo era nuestro hogar. Y queremos recuperarlo.
I saw the sun begin to dim. You felt that winter wind blow cold. And that emergency was their friend. When the metal freeze and the walls won't hold. 'Cause from that rubble, what remains can only be what's true. If all was lost, there's more I gained, 'cause it led me back to you. From now on, these eyes will not be blinded by